Hey, if you want to customize motions and the gestures on the Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, all you have to do is just open the settings. Now you will have to scroll down and go into the advanced features. Now you have to click on the motions and the gestures. And as you can see from here, we can actually find some shortcuts. So for example, we can enable lift to wake. We've got also a double tap to turn on or off the screen. We can also find alert when phone picked up, mute with gestures. So for example, when there's like some incoming calls and alarms, we can actually put our hand over the screen or turn our phone face down and we'll actually mute all of this sounds. And also we can swipe the palm from the edge of the screen like this, and we can take screenshot, but we have to previously turn it on. There we go. And as you can see, the screenshot was taken. So now if you want to adjust all of these motions, like turn on or off something, just click on the switchers like this. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel.